Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about how to print the drawing. Once we finalize our project or drawing, next step is we have to just print that one. Okay, let's see the options. To print out, I will just go into the application button, and here you can see the print option. Okay, and the first option here is plot. Okay, normally the drawings are just plot on plotter. Okay, and we can print in printer as well. Okay, so I will just click on this option. You can see here plot dialog box will be open in front of you. Here you can make changes. For example, for now what I will do, I will just close this one from here. Okay, you can access this dialog box from quick access toolbar as well. Okay, this is the option for plot. Okay, I will click on this one. This will open this dialog box. Now you can see some of the settings here and some of the options here. Let's see how to use these. Okay, now first option here is printer or plotter. Okay, if you want to just print on printer, you can select from here printer, and if you have just your computer attached with the plotter, you can select from here plotter. Okay, you should know about the name of your plotter or printer. For example, here you can see some of the default that I have attached with my computer. Okay, so you can see here some of the printer. Okay, and I can just choose from here where I want to print. Okay, for now I have no any printer or plotter attached to my computer. Okay, and there is one more option, you can just convert it into PDF as well. Okay, for that you will just go here. You can see this is the option drawing to PDF. Okay, so this is the option where you will choose your printer or plotter. You should know about your printer or plotter name, then you will choose that one that will just print it or plot it. Okay, right now I want just this drawing to convert into PDF, so I will select this one, drawing to PDF. I will select this one, and here you can see the next option here is paper size. From here you have to just choose the paper size. Okay, for example, right now I am working in millimeters, so I will just select from here paper as A4. Okay, what A4? Okay, you can see here one of the paper will be, that is A4. This is A4. Okay, 297 by 210 millimeter. Okay, I will select that one, and then here you can see next option is plot area. So what to plot, which thing you want to plot or print. Okay, so here are some of the options. I will discuss all of these, but for now I will just discuss about window option. I will select this one. Okay, window option, and now you will choose the area what you want to print. For example, I want to print this area only. Okay, this foundation plan and this some text. Okay, so what I will do, I will create a window along which I want to print. So I want to print this area only, this area. So I will just create a window, and then I will just give next corner point. So this is the next corner point. Everything is in this window right now, so I will click on this one. Now you can see here the preview is changed, and you can see this height area. This is drawing. Okay, which I want to print. Now the next thing here is center the plot. Okay, when I will click on this one, this drawing will be center on page. Okay, now again there is one more thing, that is fit to paper. This is the option. Okay, if you want to just fit your drawing on paper, or you can use custom scale as well. I will uncheck this one. Here you can see here custom scale is just activated. From here you can choose any of the scale. So you will be having a doubt that what is scale. Here under custom you can see one option, 1 millimeter and 18.96 unit. Okay, so scale, it's mean 101, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 8. For example, I want to choose here 1 by 20. Okay, you can see, and 1 millimeter is equal to 20 unit. It's mean printed unit of 1 millimeter will be actually equal to 20 units. Okay, let me just give you example here. For example, I am choosing here 1 by 20. It's mean 1 millimeter on paper will equal to 20 unit, actually 20 millimeter actually. Okay, I will go here in preview right now. Okay, it is asking about the annotation scale is not equal to the plot scale. Do you want to continue? Okay, because I have just give the custom scale, so I will click continue. Now I will give you example. For example, this is printed paper in front of you, and if you are going to measure this offset, okay, on paper the offset size is 1 millimeter, but actually offset size will be equal to 20 millimeter as we selected a scale of 1 by 20. So let me exit this one. Okay, Again, this is for scale, okay, 1 by 20. You can choose any of the scale, but for example I want to choose here 1 by 1, okay, 1 by 1. It's mean that one printed unit will be equal to one actual unit, okay. So you can see here the boundary, red boundary, it's mean that this drawing will be not fit on our paper. So that's why we have to change the scale. So 1 by 20 is good, or 1 by 16 is good. No, yet not good, 1 by 16. So I will choose from here 1 by 20, or you can just select from here as well. Instead of 1 by 16 I will write here 1 by 17, enter tab key. Now yet not good, okay, 18, okay, again 19, okay. So I will press 19. Now it is good, 1 by 19 is good. It's mean that one unit will be equal to 19 units, okay. So hope you understand up till now. From here, drawing orientation, you can select portrait, okay. You can choose portrait. Now you can see this is the portrait, and in portrait it will be not fit, okay. You can choose landscape, it is good, okay. Now I will go into the preview option, okay. I will go into the preview. It is giving me this message, the annotation scale is not equal to plot scale, okay. I will hit continue. Then you can see this drawing is looking fine. We can print, and on paper it will look like this, okay. You can zoom this one through scroll buttons. You can see here this is our drawing, okay. Now we can print it. What if you want to print in black and white? You can print that one as well. If this area is not visible for you, I will just click on this arrow, okay. Maybe plot style will be look like this in front of you, okay. You will just click on this arrow, it will be visible for you. From here I will just select monochrome, okay, and I will click ok, and assign this plot style table to all layout. I will press yes, okay. Now I will go into the preview and I will hit continue. Now you can see this is black and white right now, okay. After all of this setting, I will just exit from here, okay. I will go into the dialog box, and if this preview is looking fine for me, I will hit what, okay. And then it is asking again about scale, okay, because we are just not using the same scale. So I will press continue, and from here I can choose any of the destination where I want to save that file. For example, I want to save this in documents, and I can just give here a name, okay. For example, I want here print one, okay, print one. Then I will press save, okay. Now this drawing will be converted into PDF, and you can see here this will be converted into PDF. It will be open here in my browser as well, okay. You can see here. So this is the method. You can just print out, you can convert it into PDF, and if your printer is attached with your computer, you can just print on this one. It will be look like this, okay, on paper. I will close this one. I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.